today I've also come with a new topic as the everyday routine. So today's topic is one of the important topic because not important also, it's also interesting topic. So why I'm telling like that? This topic is one of the topic which is based on Pterosaurs. So what is this animal named by Pterosaurs? So it's a kind of dinosaur which can fly in the previous time, in the tragic time, and who can survive 150 million years. So this is the most successful animal ever that come to the world because it survived from the dinosaurs time till now. It is also founded in many kind of continents. In all continents it is founded, but so much little. They are going to be extinct, but not properly extinct. They have a lot. Now people are also breeding them a lot. So, do you know that this Pterosaurus is a dinosaur who has a special power that it is a kind of reptile, but it can fly. Now, some other person think that it's a kind of bird. So, it's not given in a class of bird. So, why? Why still that? Why it is not founded in the classes of bird? Now, you are thinking that. Why it's not given in a class of birds? Now I am telling that things. Now these things, they does. Do you know that when they fly, they cannot fly much well, but they are the king of the air. Why? Now I have told that they are the king of the air, not the sky. No, but now as a synonym we have used sky to air. So, do you know that? So, do you know, my brother is there. So, do you know that this kind of animal can also live in the ground? They can run. When they run, they make their wings like that. They can make a balance. So, do you know that when they make this balance, then they need their wing. But it's not actually a wing. It's now let's know about them. They has not any 5 fingers. They have no 5 fingers. They have only 4 fingers. So in these 4 fingers, this finger is not the finger. It's a wing. It means this finger is attached with the wing, and its body is so much light that helps it to fly a lot. So, do you know that this animal cannot fly so much betterly? Yes. But they are very expert in catching fish. Yes. So, do you know that there is another kind of characteristic, that is the scientist cannot give it in a class. What is the matter that we cannot give it in a class? What kind of animal is it? It's a 3-dwelling reptile which can keep in land, keep in tree, and keep it in the air. So it's so much funny things. But in the Jurassic time, it was founded so much big. There is one of the fossil in the California, which fossil the length of the wing is about in the longer it's 11 centimeter long. Not 11 centimeter. It's also as 11 foot, a lot. And that all things make this kind of animals so much special. They are very big animals. In the previous time, in the Jurassic time, in the tragic time. But when this time come, now people are modern and also then they become extinct. So do you know that they are 3-dwelling reptiles? They can also run so much fastly. They can catch fish wellly and they can fly wellly. So now I have told that they cannot fly so much well. But how does they fly? In the previous time, also have mostly good in flying. They were king in flying in the previous time. But now the fossil become changed, means there another kind of DNA that. And also it had become a little evaluation. This evaluation in his body. It become changed in his feature and also looking type. So when you can say that this kind of Pterosaurs, then some of the Pterosaurs is look like so much big. Some are so much little as a human. So why? There is many kind of evaluation in this people. So till now they have gotten their existence for the successfulness of them. So you know that when the greatest national, do you know that one of the greatest person who can think that what's this kind of animal, what is this kind of animal, he can do a better research. Then he understand that which kind of class is that? Is it a bird class? Is it an insect? Is it a kind of reptile? Is it a kind of animal or four legs? So what is that? So then the scientists do a lot of research on that. So then they see some of them are so much expert in flying, which live near what can I tell you? Hill. Who live near the hill? They fly so much fastly, and they make current in the wind. Some are electric eel. I hope that you have in the previous time you have known about electric eel. It is also a kind of electric eel. It make current when it fly, and after producing current they doesn't do like that. They doesn't pump their hand like that. They do a state and they fly as the power of current. So I think that you are taking fun from my talking because I am saying that the bird make current. So the bird actually make current. It is not those kind of bird. It's a reptile. It's another kind of animal. It's not founded at all. In our country, in our place, there is no any bird like that who can make current. Do you know that it is also tell that it is uncontested to do a fight with them in the air. Why? This talking is told. So this is our confession on that. So they have a lot of strong leaf. So do you know that when they fly, then they make electric power. And when another kind of bird comes before them, crash! It becomes crushed. So by that always, for this reason, it is called uncontestable animal in the air. So do you know also another facts on that? This animal like to live in a hilly place. So this Pterosaurs was an animal of the dinosaurs time. So you are thinking for the asteroid, all the animal like dinosaur become died. So where does it come from? I am also thinking like same with you. So but it's fossil and another kind of birds of the same DNA of birds, and it means this animal also founded on the earth. So how many of you are thinking that you should see that? Search on YouTube. I have also seen a video in which mostly realistic bird is flying. Oh no, what a beautiful, and it's so much big. I think it's a video of only 53 seconds. So I have seen that, and there is a really Pterosaurs. So much thing, and I am thinking that I should also draw a picture of that. So by that always, this was the topic about Pterosaurs. So how many of you are wanted to see this kind of animal? Please comment me. And do you know that if you really got this kind of animal which is flying in the air, video that, capture and give me. I must see that. And I thinking that it may be added, but if I can really see that, it's most good. So as the size for the evolution, nowadays it become as a shape of human, not more than it. So for this reason, now you cannot see a Pterosaurs which can kill a person. So by that way, this was all the matters of Pterosaurs. So if you get more vlogs like that, follow my YouTube channel. In my YouTube channel, you can get a lot of kind of matters like that, also biology classes, dance classes, and a lot. There are also some extra rules and things, and by that way, always so much interesting. So please subscribe my channel, that I become more motivated to make more vlogs like that. So as for my motivating, I can make a lot of vlog for you. And which kind of vlog you want to get, comment. So by that way, today I will start my vlog here. Bye. See you in the next vlog.